Guys, today I've got the new Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Just got it in the mail, got it delivered a while ago. We're gonna open it up real quick to see what it's all about. And yeah, let's check it out. Alright, let's get this open. Open this up. Alright, see here. Got our crisping plate. Pick it up. This thing is huge. So this is one unit. Here's our second one. This one is a little deeper, but if you know air frying, you know you can't really stack a lot because you want that air to circulate. So this is going to prevent, probably you're going to wind up getting 3 times the food in here than in this other unit. And that's what we're going to check out. Another thing that makes this air fryer unique is most air fryers heat from the top down. You can see in here there's a bottom burner as well as a top burner. Different modes on this unit that you can actually cook multiple items. Alright, to turn the unit on, we have to put our cook tray in here. Power button. I do like the smooth glass there. It's tinted. It's nice. You can see the cooking temperature here. Raise and lower your temps, obviously. And then you've got your timers here. Easy, simple. We got pizza mode, bacon, steak. That's what that says there.
Wings.
Wings. There you go. And where?
Air fry, toast, grill, or reheat.
There you go. Young eyes. I need those young eyes. I can't see. So very simple to use. Simple mode. You do not have to use the crisping basket here. Obviously, you're going to be cooking higher end stuff. Put your crispers basket inside. It does have the little rubber pins here to help it stabilize. Cool lifting handle to get it in and out of the unit, like so. Right? Very nice, very simple to use. I like it. There we go. Back in like so. And yeah, another cool thing on the back side over here, we'll see an air vent, right? I like that it's not just shooting out the back, it's kind of curved and going up. Don't know how it's going to go up against a wall in the kitchen, but we're going to figure that out. That's the Typhur 2 Dome air fryer. It's going to be new, it's going to be fun. You're going to see some videos. I'm going to put it through its paces, through some tests, do some cooks. And then we're going to have a genuine cook video coming up on it. I want to play with it, get familiar with it first, and I'll let you know my true feelings on it. But that's the unboxing. What's new to my channel. Appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next one.